Here we go. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I am a new YouTuber. Haven't been doing this very long. Happy to do it. Been enjoying it. Sharing tips, going over finances. Welcome to my lair, I guess you could say, my camper. This is one of the foolish mistakes I did make along my financial journey, is buying a camper. This is one of the top dog on my targets for debt reduction. It's not without its benefits, though. It does come in handy for a home office type environment at times. I use it for that. I would like to take a sec. Thank you for all the subscribers. We're growing. I'm growing. This channel seems to be doing well. I enjoy doing it. That's what I've been imparting upon people. I don't do it, you know, or I should say I'm doing it for accountability. It helps keep me straight. I believe I mentioned that before. My wife will say things like, well, what have you said before? You know, this is your advice. And, you know, she's right. A lot of times I have to follow exactly what I've specified myself. I have some things I want to go over today. It's going to be a shorter video than what I've been putting out, but I did want to kind of bring an update and go over just a couple of things. If you haven't already, please look at that subscribe button for a second and then mash it. Helps me. It's great. Give me a like. Drop me a comment in there. Love it. Love to talk to people. Love meeting people. Think it's great. Enjoy it. And it really helps my channel out also. So with that being said, we will get into today's video. Thank you. In an earlier video, I talked a lot about sinking funds, what they are, how to work them, how the benefit of having sinking funds, and, you know, how you could save money just by having a sinking fund. So I wanted to be able to show you guys exactly how helpful having sinking funds can be. Quick review for those of you who may not watch that video. I will try to link it in the description so you can go back and watch it. But it's basically a savings account, and it's separate from your emergency fund. You can have several different little mini savings accounts, like a savings account for auto repairs, things that we know are going to come up, insurance, getting to this here, and bringing to this here. If you have a sinking fund set up specifically for your insurances, such as this camper, boats, motorcycles, everybody's got some kind of insurance. It's not uncommon. Look at this. If I pay this in full, this is due. I'm giving you real life. This is Stephen Howard world right here. If I pay this total cost right now, I'm gonna save myself and my family roughly $100. I mean, and this is 2 times a year. We renew 2 times a year our auto insurance. So $200 means, I don't know about you, but I love having extra money sitting around. That's money I can invest. I can, you know, I might put it in the fund sinking fund. You know, we talk about having various different mini savings accounts and a high interest type savings account arrangement where it's making money and it's also sitting there for you know, when it comes up time that you need it. Basically looking at a $200 savings here, not right here, you're looking at $100 savings, but long term over the course of a year, that is $200. And I don't know about you, but that is a huge amount to me and my family, and it can sure benefit. That's $200 I can have sitting in savings. That's $200 worth of investments. If you talk to my kids, that's $200 to go towards Christmas or something like that. So what happens here, just to unroll it a little further, is I don't have right now a sinking fund for insurance. I do have some money that I almost have forgotten about, really, to be honest with you, but I have, not that I have so much money that I forget about it, but we have a little bit to tackle this. And I'm going to be setting up a sinking fund. I'm going to be titling it auto insurance. And rather every month, me paying this company here, you know, and them making money, I'm going to be paying myself back
through that sinking fund, earning interest on it over time, and then it rolls around 6 months, 6+ months from now, and it's time to pay this puppy off again, I've got it sitting there and it's ready to go. So you can do this with your homeowner's insurance. You can do this with pretty much anything. You basically have a separate savings account, and it's set up, and you can title it. Most of these banks, whatever you want. This one will be titled, of course, auto insurance. So that's, it's going to save money. It's going to save, a lot of stress having a bill. You get emailed or you get a bill in the mail, and all of a sudden, oh my God, I got this bill. No, I've gotten taken care of. As I get paid, I look at it, look how much I need to put in there each time, and I know it's set aside for this insurance because it's going to keep rolling around. So that's it. That's one of the things I wanted to share with you today about sinking funds, insurance, how you can make your money work for you instead of the other way around. Instead of me making money for this company, I'm going to be making myself some money, hopefully. You still got to pay them. It's a requirement to have, in Florida, of course, you got to have auto insurance, but why pay more when I don't have to?
Also wanted to take a sec and just let everybody know how amazed I am by the fact that I literally made money while I slept for a few days. And let me explain. Me and my wife have been putting money in, I use Webull, use E-Trade, Invest. I've mentioned that before, and I look at it every day. I'm probably a little too obsessed with it, but I literally looked at it and I'm like, hey, there's some dividends paid out. Hey, it's the end of the month. I see where my savings interest is posted. I looked at I have some shares of AT&T in one of my accounts. I see where that is posted. So roughly, like, somewhere in the ballpark figure, $8 that. Guys, I put it in there and I sit and I just monitor it. I keep up on the news, what's going on with these companies, what's happening, and make money by just holding it, letting it hold there. Hopefully the company, hopefully the value of those shares I've bought, I hope to see those increase as time goes on. I hope that I'm able to continue to contribute and continue putting money into it and seeing it grow. $8 is not a lot of money, I'll be the first to say, but when you scale that up over time, the goal is to get, whatever I have in there. If I have 10 shares, let's shoot for getting 50 shares in each one of these investments that I've made, because those dividends are going to keep on rolling in, and you're going to see, you're going to be able to, like, hopefully, 4 times it, 5x it, you're going to hopefully see it grow and grow and grow. And not only that, you take those dividends and you roll them back around into your investment, which is one of the things I did through Webull. I literally took some of the interest. The share I purchased was, a certain amount. It was like I got it on discount, what I purchased with those dividends. It's awesome. It's really compounding interest, compounding those investments to further where you're at, helps you to make those financial goals. I talk a lot about the emergency fund. This is some of the things that you can do once you have that emergency fund and continue to, let's roll along and build wealth. Between that and I wanted to go over the dividends and what, making money where you sleep. Who doesn't want to do that? That's awesome. I wanted to show you, of course, the insurance savings and encourage you to maybe put that into practice. I think it's awesome. Didn't really have a whole lot else. I do want to encourage people to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, don't just give me a thumbs down. Give me a comment like, Steve, please go over something, or give me some feedback. That'd be great. I like feedback. That's fine. That is all I really had to say for today. Hope everyone has a great rest of the week. My daughter says I never look at the right place on this camera, so here I am. Maybe this is the right place. I hope that you all are able to get a little bit of value out of this, put some of these tips and ideas into practice. I hope that you are as happy as I am to see, families taking what they can from
YouTube, from books, from wherever, and hopefully, you know, digging themselves out of a situation, because no one likes to be in financial dire straight situation. I've been there. I'm clawing, scratching my way out of it, and I hope that other people are able to do the same. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great rest of the week, and take it easy. See ya.